Got it in hand and chucks it right back. The ball slams into the stumps, but they made it in time. No run out here. Straight as an arrow, that one. A daredevil dive that ends. Boundary denied. It's a huge shot, timed brilliantly by the batsman. Swept across with no mercy. Good thinking by the batsman. They complete the single with ease. He didn't learn that novelty from the coach. He's scrambling back to the blocks. Can he make it? The bowler goes up with excitement, but no, says the umpire in the end. A beautiful sweep to clean that ball up. Bringing in some medium pace to try and limit the opposition's scoring rate. Excellent placement by a sturdy effort from the fielder there. Well thrown. He's taken the aerial route. 6 more. Just met for the stumps. What a body shot. And that's no good. A no ball gives the batting a freebie. Let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. An unfortunate. That's been sliced away for 6. A shocking impact. Whopped for 6. In comes the change of bowling. There's nothing medium about this medium pacer.